with Spaceti here, showcasing our all-in-one workplace platform. Behind me, you'll see a glimpse of our analytics on our platform where we're showing not only the data collection, but really how Spaceti AI works. And so what you're seeing a glimpse of is really just how users will engage with our platform, get instant access to data. We are using a monitor here to display some of that data, but through our partnership with Steelcase, we're able to show this on this Ocular View stand-up workstation that is integrated with the Logitech system. In addition to partnering with Steelcase, we also have partnerships and integrations with QSYS and Crestron. But what you're seeing right now is just a quick glimpse of our artificial intelligence and the live demo that we're doing here at InfoComm 2025. Yep. And so Max just put in a question into the AI here, and so we're really looking at answering a question about occupancy and a correlation of carbon dioxide data in a meeting room. And as we just fed that data into the AI, we're going to see an instant data chart come back to us instantaneously, but also now start to see the insights and the recommendations that are coming from the Spaceti AI through just simple, natural human language. Perfect. Thank you, and come visit us at Spaceti AI at InfoComm.